Welcome to today's video where we're starting off with a little bit of a reaction. As you guys know, Marcus here has not been in the Yeeata yet. So we're gonna take him out for a little bit of donuts. Are you excited, my guy? Yo, yes, that was perfect.
All right, let's go.
Let's go, all right. I'm handing the camera over to Marcus. Let's go have some fun right off the bat. All right, Marcus, you ready?
Yep.
Hell yeah, brother. I need a knee brake and it's so bad. Oh man, I love this car so much. I'm gonna let you drive up to this too, that'll be funny as. This is like our donut pit here, I don't know if you can tell. You want to go?
No, don't do this too much.
What are your thoughts?
Those neighbors are going to be pissed.
So all fun aside with this thing, I think it's time we do something about the hideous exhaust. It really is kind of obnoxious, and I kind of want to be able to hit spots and quit it, like, you know, like hit it and get out real quick. So we're gonna go get ourselves a cherry bomb. A few people were talking about it, and I remember seeing them in AutoZone, so I'm gonna get that, some elbows and bends and stuff, and see if we can fab up ourselves a nice, oh, the key's already, okay, let's go. And fab ourselves up a nice exhaust. So let's head to AutoZone, guys, and get ourselves that nice exhaust. Oh my gosh, this is ignorant. Let's go. All right, so I'm just in the exhaust section here at AutoZone. Looks like they got a lot of stock, which is good. And here's the only cherry bomb they had in stock. Oh, they have a little one? Ooh, maybe I should get a little one. Oh man, now I'm confused. Which is better? Maybe the little one's all we need. Let's just get this one. You guys know, even when I'm at AutoZone, I park this thing up on the nature strip. We got everything we need to make ourselves a sick cherry bomb exhaust. Got our 90s and everything. Let's head back to the shop, weld this thing up, get this thing sounding a little bit less, what's the word? Ignorant. That's the one we want. All right, so we're back at the shop now. I've got everything up on jack stands, and I've just been working away under here, lining everything up. And honestly, I'm pretty impressed with just random stuff I got from AutoZone, how perfect this is lined up. Like, look at that bumper right there. It's like almost dead in the center. It's seriously epic. And I'm glad we went with the smaller cherry bomb. We could have made the bigger one fit if we had like a short radius 90s, but this is all that AutoZone had. So the short one works out better for that. And honestly, I'm really impressed with how this turned out. I'm using the exhaust hangers here with just some zip ties right now to hold everything in place so that I can tack this section up, and then I'll weld it all up on the bench, and then I'll be able to just weld this on the car with the battery disconnected. Don't forget that, guys. Always disconnect your battery when welding on the chassis. But yeah, otherwise, like, I'm honestly pretty happy with how this worked out. Damn. All right, SAMMITFAB coming right at you.
Safety first, right, Sam?
Yep, safety always first, guys. All right, gotta clean some paint off this so we got a bit of a better weld. Oh man, you talking to, dude? I don't like these secrets you're keeping. I don't like it. Hell yeah, look at that, much better. Getting some better welds now, now that the surface is clean. So I'm quickly learning that It's very hard welding on the concrete. I wish there was a proper welding bench here and I could get into a nice position, because like leaning on the ground trying to weld this is definitely not that fun. But I've got the welder at the right settings now that I clean the surfaces a little bit. It's welding way better. So I'm gonna quickly smash through this to the point where we can line it all up in the car and put a hanger on it. So a pretty big update. You can see the exhaust is all up there in place now with the hanger and everything. Look, my welds are definitely not good, especially on this, because we're like galvanized metal and steel and stuff all going to like normal steel and stainless. Like it's a mixture of different steels here for sure, which makes things bad. And trying to then weld on the car upside down like this, it's not the best. But I have to say, for someone who's only welded a handful of times, I'm pretty impressed with how well I'm learning. I definitely need to get like, you know, a nice welding bench and just get comfortable and really just practice on this for a while, which I plan to do in Japan at some point. So I'm pretty pumped to do that. But for now, I'm happy with that. And once I finish welding up on the top there, I'll then hit that with some paint as well. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this and how it turns out. We ended up like right bam there in the middle, just perfect. And I hope this thing actually sounds a little bit quieter and better. But we'll find out in a little bit. So we are all finished now. I'm so excited to hear this thing. It's all done, welded, painted up all my welds, so no rust is gonna occur. I love how like that is perfectly in the hole there in the bumper. Hell yeah, let's get this jack stand out. Let's put this thing on the ground. Way too excited to hear it. Oh dude, can you grab that? I can't get it with my left hand for some reason. It's tight. There she goes. Whew. All right, I'm ready to hear this. Could you not hit my car, man? Oi!
That was my
Bruh.
Thanks, dude.
It's not gonna be the real sound.
All right, do you think this is gonna sound good or what?
It ain't gonna be the real sound.
All right, well, dude, you gotta put the terminal on for me.
I will once it's out.
Yeah, that's fine. All right. Here we go. Push her out.
Ooh, this thing's... Are you on the brake?
No.
Right now. Do it right now, sir. I got it on. I got a terminal.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Oh.
Still pretty loud.
Nah, that's still really loud.
Nothing. Man.
All that fabricating work.
Nothing.
All that fabrication work for that.
It might be worse.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Here, let me see it.
It's worse. It's worse, I swear.
That is so ear
I
piercing.
thought the cherry bomb was gonna help.
No. Absolutely
All
terrible.
that fabrication for nothing.
Back to the drawing board.
No, I'm just gonna leave it now.
No, don't leave it, dude. It's awful.
No, it's
Go
better
for a
than
ride.
low RPMs.
No, it's not.
We're good. It's fine, dude. It sounds great. I don't know what you're talking about.
I hate it.
Let me go around the block.
I'm gonna set this thing on fire,
See
dude.
what it sounds like, because, you know, it's gonna wear in, you know?
I hate him so much.
Yeah, that's annoying.
Such drop it. Please don't brap it. Shut this thing off. You're gonna get us in trouble with this stupid thing. It's awful.
I really thought the cherry bomb would, like, get rid of some of the, like, it definitely has quietened it.
No, don't even say that.
I feel like
Nope.
it has.
That's like putting my exhaust on the ND and saying it made a difference. Because it didn't. And I paid at least you didn't pay $500 for an exhaust that didn't do anything.
I only paid like $25.
Yeah.
I'm just disappointed. I spent like 5 hours fabricating that up.
So note to self, do cherry bombs really do something?
Not on this.
Not
Nothing.
So awful. Stop it.
It's so bad.
Yeah, never do that again.
I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm really disappointed and butthurt about how all that hard work did absolutely nothing. It made it worse, if anything. It's like a low RPM now, it's like super farty and gross. So I don't get it. I mean, all the research I did online, a whole bunch of people in the comment section were also saying that cherry bombs are like the thing to throw in there. Unfortunately, didn't work for me. Maybe I'm meant to have it further up closer to like the engine. I don't really understand exhaust stuff too well, but that definitely did absolutely nothing. Anyways, I'm probably gonna leave it. I don't want to bother like cutting everything out of that and then putting another muffler in there for now. We're just gonna run it, have a bunch of fun, and do some more mudding and stuff like that. I mean, it's gonna be loud and obnoxious, but I think that'll add to it and just make it kind of funny. With that, I want to show you what Marcus is doing because I'm kind of jealous. He's got some cool cams. So this is Marcus's 1.6, and I don't know if you can see that there, but there's a nice HKS logo on these things. What size are these?
So the intake is a 256 and the exhaust is a 264.
Do you know what the stock is?
Low.
Low? Really low?
Probably in the 30s.
And what does a set of cams for these things normally set you back? Like 600 bucks or something?
Probably.
Yeah? Interesting.
I got these for the low.
Yeah? Yeah, Reddy hooked you up with a deal?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. No, I'm kind of jealous because like I'm really curious what these would be
I'm curious.
like on a turbo car.
I'm curious. Well, we're gonna find that out eventually, but I'm curious on what this is going to be like. So this is gonna be a cams, Mega Squirt, fuel, E85.
And just headers, stock headers, like no turbo?
Full exhaust.
Full exhaust.
Yeah.
Interesting. So then this thing will probably make a decent amount of power on the top end. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty excited.
So what I'm gonna do is the 1.8 headers don't fit on a 1.6, do they?
No, they don't. Entirely different. Yeah. But
I'm gonna try to see if I can find a cheap. I could probably find a cheap set of headers on eBay. Probably.
oh, for sure. Yeah, something that just flows better than the stock ones. Yeah.
Put those bad boys on and then see what it does on the dyno, and then
It'd be cool to get like at least 140, 150 all motor because these normally do like 100, right? Flat.
no.
You don't think that it'll be a 50 horsepower gain?
No.
But dude, some header companies claim that headers alone will give you 30, 40 horsepower.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I mean, you got cams, it's flowing more air. Maybe. That would be cool though.
If this thing makes 150 all motor, I won't even put a turbo
Light and
on.
flywheel? Light and
I won't even put a
flywheel?
turbo on.
Hell yeah.
I'll just do some more stuff with the motor, forge it, and then done.
Hell yeah.
Just flat up.
Yeah, man. Dude, light and flywheel as well will help too.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know, man. 150 seems to be quite possible with this when you think about it and add all that stuff up.
Maybe. But it's something to definitely look at and see what's going on.
It'd be cool like when you forged it if you went for a higher compression build if you were going all motor because that'd get you even more. Especially with the E85, you can do some cool stuff with that.
Yeah.
But yeah, all that aside, Marcus's 1.6 build is going great. You guys know I love the 1.6 builds. I'm just jealous because I wish I had these cams on the giveaway car just to see what it would do. Not because I want them, I just want to know what it's going to do.
The car already is fast.
It is fast, but I just want to know what it would be like with these.
I sound passenger. That's just that.
It's fast, right?
That Mazda.
Yeah, it is.
Kind of like it.
Do you guys know our friend Stefan? He's our tire guy. He's a good
How
dude.
you guys doing?
So here's where I'm going to actually end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. We're just chilling out the front of Chris's house right now. We're about to start a barbecue for Alex's birthday. So make sure you go give him some love on Instagram and on his YouTube channel and say happy birthday to him. But check out this Fast and Furious vibe going on here. Look at that. Got an S chassis, Skyline. You're looking pretty good too. Dude, this is Vin Diesel. Oh my gosh, how did we not? All right, so smash that like button, guys. I'll see you all in tomorrow's upload if there's one. And I'll catch you later. Peace out. Ciao, mata.